The Vanishing Options Test is a decision-making technique designed to help individuals evaluate decision alternatives by imagining that all current options have vanished. This technique aims to encourage individuals to consider whether they would be satisfied with alternatives that are currently off the table. Start by listing all the options or alternatives you're considering for a particular decision. This could include various courses of action, potential outcomes, or choices available to you. Next, envision a scenario where all the options you've identified suddenly disappear or become unavailable. Imagine that these options are no longer viable, and you're left with no choice but to explore new possibilities. Consider how you feel about the prospect of losing all the current options. Pay attention to your emotional response and any thoughts or insights that arise during this reflection. With all current options off the table, challenge yourself to generate new alternatives or possibilities. Think creatively and explore unconventional ideas that you may not have considered before. Once you've identified new alternatives, evaluate them based on their feasibility, desirability, and alignment with your goals and values. Consider whether any of these alternatives could potentially be more satisfactory or preferable than the options you initially considered. When individuals imagine that all current options have vanished and explore new possibilities, they may uncover underlying desires, values, or goals that were not initially apparent. This process can shed light on subconscious preferences and motivations that may have been overlooked or suppressed. By revealing these hidden preferences, the Vanishing Options Test enables individuals to make decisions that are more aligned with their authentic selves and true priorities. It empowers individuals to break free from conventional thinking patterns, explore new possibilities, and pursue paths that resonate more deeply with their values and aspirations. Sarah is trying to decide whether to accept a job offer in a new city. Sarah has two main options: accept the job offer and relocate to the new city, or decline the job offer and continue looking for opportunities in her current city. Sarah takes a moment to envision a scenario where both of her current options suddenly vanish. She imagines that the job offer is rescinded, and no other job opportunities are available in the new city. Similarly, she envisions that she is unable to find suitable employment options in her current city. Sarah notices that she feels a sense of disappointment and frustration when imagining that both options are no longer available. She realizes that she had been focusing solely on these two choices without considering other possibilities. With her current options off the table, Sarah challenges herself to think outside the box and explore new alternatives. She considers the possibility of pursuing freelance work or starting her own business, allowing her to work remotely from any location. She also explores the idea of taking a sabbatical to travel, volunteer, or pursue personal interests before committing to a new job. Sarah evaluates the new alternatives based on their feasibility, desirability, and alignment with her goals. She realizes that freelancing or starting her own business could offer more flexibility and autonomy in her career, allowing her to maintain a better work-life balance. The idea of taking a sabbatical appeals to her sense of adventure and desire for personal growth, providing an opportunity to explore new interests and experiences. Through the Vanishing Options Test, Sarah discovers new possibilities that she hadn't previously considered. By broadening her perspective and exploring alternative paths, she gains clarity about her priorities and preferences, ultimately making a more informed and authentic decision about her future career direction.